Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the iconic drum parts for In the Air Tonight. We will start by breaking down the fundamental verse beat. This involves a consistent eighth note rhythm on the hi-hat, providing a solid foundation. You will also learn the straightforward kick and snare drum pattern that underpins the song's initial sections. Getting this basic groove down perfectly is your first crucial step. Next, we dive into the legendary drum fill, arguably one of the most recognizable moments in music history. This fill arrives after approximately 3 minutes and 40 seconds of the song. It features a powerful progression across the tom-toms, culminating in impactful snare hits. Mastering its precise timing and dynamic execution is key to recreating its dramatic effect and truly capturing the song's essence. Understanding the song's dynamics is crucial for an authentic performance. Notice how the intensity gradually builds, leading up to that explosive fill. Practice varying your stick attack to achieve different volumes, from soft and subtle to loud and powerful. Seamlessly integrating the drum fill into the overall song structure will make your performance truly impactful and emotionally resonant for listeners. To truly master this piece, begin your practice sessions slowly, utilizing a metronome to ensure impeccable timing and accuracy. Listen intently to the original recording to grasp the subtle nuances and overall feel. As your confidence and muscle memory develop, gradually increase the tempo. Consistent, focused practice will allow you to perform this iconic drum part with precision and passion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.